Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Firstly, like my videos and subscribe my YouTube channel. Today my topic is about evening girls gowns. An evening gown is more than just a piece of clothing. It's a symbol of sophistication, style, and timeless femininity. Whether you're gracing the red carpet, commanding attention at a gala, or a marketing a statement at a special event, the evening gown has an unparalleled ability to captivate and inspire. One of the defining features of an evening gown is the exquisite choice for a fabric, from the luxurious silk and satins to the flowing chiffons and the light laces. These gowns are crafted with the meticulous attention to the detail. The selection of fabric continues to the gown overall aesthetic, enhancing its texture, shape, and sheen. Silhouette play and provide a role in refining the mood of an evening gown. A line mid-material ball gown and sheet silhouettes each other have the unique charm catering to diverse taste and body types. The artful combination of fabrics and silhouette transform a gown into a wardrobe masterpiece. Color is a crucial element in the design of an evening gown, setting the tone of the wearer appearance, while classic black execute timeless sophistication. Vibrant colors like ruby red, royal blue, or emerald green make a bold statement. Designers often play with the color to evoke emotion and enhance to the wearer's natural beauty, ensuring that the gowns become an extension of the individual personality. The devil in the detail and the evening gowns are no expectation, intricate detailing and embellishments such as beading, sequins, lace, appliques, and embroidery elevate these garments to a level of unparalleled affluence. These embellishments not only showcase the craftsmanship of the designer but also add touch of glamour that catches the light and command attention. While often associated with the formal events, modern evening gowns have elevated to cater to a range of occasions, from the cocktail parties to wedding. Designers now create gowns that strike that powerful balance between elegance and versatility. This adaptability ensures that women can make stunning entrance regardless that event formality. Unlike fleeting fashion trends, with the stood last of time, its enduring appeal lies in its ability to transcend eras, making it a wardrobe temple for a woman who appreciates classical style. The allure of the evening gown is not a confined to a particular gown, is not confined to a particular age or generation. Instead, it continues to capture the imagination of gown from the all four walks of life.